My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Autosleepers Warwick XL. This vehicle has done just over 7,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker, sink, oven, microwave and fridge just below. Behind me we have our bathroom, which is where we can find our toilet, sink and shower. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into our double bed, making this motorhome 2-berth, 2 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we can access our cruise control and voice control. Using the buttons just below our screen, we can access media, radio, navigation, smartphone integration, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, our reversing camera. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.